Hey everyone! So I know it has been a hot minute, but this is kind of going to be a video, not really like explaining why I've gone, but just kind of letting you guys know that I'm going to be making some changes to my channel and just kind of how I do videos, I guess, in general. I have Tonks with me in case you can't hear her. She's just chilling. I just had this idea while I was holding her. I was like, I'm not doing anything too important. So essentially, I haven't been posting a lot because I've been busy. And if I'm going to be honest, I haven't had that much inspiration to post because I kind of exhausted a lot of my ideas. Oh, the sun is very bright. I kind of exhausted a lot of my ideas in like the spring and in Christmas and stuff. So I didn't really have a lot of ideas to do during the summer. So I didn't make videos because I didn't feel like inspired to make videos. So, and I feel like a part of that is because I felt like there were certain videos I couldn't make, which might not make a lot of sense to you guys. Hang on. Do you have something to say, Tonks? Do you have something you would like to share with the audience? No? Okay. I didn't think so. Anyway, there are certain... Every time I move the camera away from her... Come on. Tell the camera what you're trying to tell me. No? Okay. Is that better? There are certain videos that I feel like I haven't been able to make because I didn't want to feel like... I didn't want to feel too weird about making them. Can I help you? And a lot of that is like kind of nerdy stuff. Like, hold on one moment. For example, I like anime, manga. I am currently studying Japanese. So those things are very important in my life at the moment, and I'm going to want to talk about them. And for a while I kind of felt like I couldn't talk about them because they were like quote unquote too nerdy or whatever. Also, I would make quotations, but my hand is currently occupied. But so I feel like going forward I want to kind of break that barrier down for myself, which even though I made that barrier for myself, no one told me you can't post videos about anime. But I kind of stepped out of my comfort zone when I made those Marvel movie videos and stuff, talking about like my favorite ones. But I feel like I still was kind of limiting myself to what I wanted to talk about. So going forward, expect a lot more nerdier videos. I kind of want to work on like how to study Japanese because that's something that I'm doing a lot of, obviously. And so I feel like it'll help me and help others to put videos out about how I study, So I was thinking about that. Let me know. And also, side note, I got this piercing in my ear done. This one right here. I got it done like a month ago. Pretty good, pretty fine. Also, my hair is brown now. It's all brown, all the way. The pink, I got the pink done also about a month ago, I think. And it's been working pretty fine. Yes, that's what I thought. Okay, can you stop grumbling in front of the camera then? So basically, I just wanted to make this video to say that going forward, I'm going to be making a lot of different videos because I want to explore a lot of different aspects of my personality and my personal life, But I just wanted to let you know that those are going to be some changes coming to my channel. Also, I am super hyped for Halloween, so I'm going to try and do as many videos for Halloween as I can because I am obsessed. I've been buying a lot of Halloween decor stuff. I'm gonna make like Halloween earrings, so I might try to make a video out of that if I figure out how to do it. Also a Halloween wreath because, listen, I'm just going all out this year. I'm gonna go to Halloween Horror Nights. I'm gonna watch movies, so I'm gonna expect a whole like Hollow month. I'm at least gonna try to do like 1 to 2 videos a week. Maybe I'll go off and on like 1 and then 2 and then 1 and then 2. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna try and get into a, at least posting once every 2 weeks. I'm not gonna put it in stone because I've been extremely busy. This is probably the only time I've had to myself in the house without having to do schoolwork or go to work in a couple weeks. It's been a while. Like I just got off of work. This is my uniform. A t-shirt and jeans and then socks. That's my uniform. So I just haven't had a lot of time between that and between school. And I'm only on campus 1 day a week for school, but it's kind of intense. I'm not gonna lie, it's intense. Very short video, shorter. Expect some changes. I'm gonna try and come back from the dead, and I hope you stick around to see what I'm gonna be doing. I may or may not do more videos of these little babies. What's that? We'll see. I will make no promises. But I think I said everything I wanted to say. New hair, new piercing, new channel. If I know you in real life and you're doing videos and stuff and you want help with editing, hit me up. Even though I'm busy, I like editing. I miss editing. I'm gonna have fun editing this video because it's a part of the creative process to me and I really like it. So yeah. I'm gonna sign out for now. Hopefully I will see you in my next video, which should not be too much longer, but we'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like this video, I guess, and don't forget to subscribe to see what else is going to be coming to my channel real soon. So thanks guys, bye.